Yeah, Robin's always been very interested in the horse, but along with a couple of other people. And so, anyway, we opted for Robin.
I had always kind of hoped that I would, I would get to either have the opportunity to buy him or I was lucky there. Mr. Tanaka and Neil Drysdale, they asked me if I'd take him and give him a home. Because, everyone knew our relationship at the track was so strong, so I thank them for letting me have him, and now I get to hang out with him for the rest of his days, which is neat. But he's a sort of horse, he's got to be active and he's got to do stuff, so there's different people riding up there. I ride him once in a while. Jamie's taken him to some shows, he's done really well, and hopefully he'll keep doing that as long as he wants to do that. And, when it comes to it, that he doesn't want to do the shows and doesn't want to jump, then he doesn't have to.
He's a character. I mean, he's a real character. Now, doing some television work he loved, because he liked the cameras and he liked the photos.
Anything to do with cameras is kind of definitely his forte.